Hey, welcome back to Bud's Builds, where we build it, break it, and improve it one buzz at a time. Today's episode is going to be a quick one. We're going to use 3D printing to help organize my work area, workstation. I do a lot of computer work, and anyway, I'm reorganizing everything. A, so I have more space, but B, try to utilize that space a little better. I want to be able to use part of my desk for actual projects and get some overhead filming on it, that kind of stuff. But anyway, first we got to clean it up. It's a mess. So, all right, let's get after it. All right, as you can see, that desk is a mess. I ended up pulling the entire tote, filling it completely full of stuff, straight from my desk. Just the immediate area, not even the little cubby holes up on top and everything. So it was a good project to try. It was needed. I'm also moving the monitors you can see on the left, is that they'll be moving straight ahead. And what the plan is for that is that way I can have my work computer in that area during the day. And then when I need it, be able to put the work computer up and then actually work on projects from my desk. I'd really like to get some sort of overhead camera system. I'm trying that out on my workbench. Would like to be able to do it for some longer projects on the actual desk area here. So some future stuff to look forward to. All right, in the course of filming, printing was over the course of several months. Unfortunately, not all the time-lapse video from the Bamboo Labs made it over. I'm not sure what happened there, but that's all right. You've seen one, you've seen a lot of them. This is just a couple of, the first one was of the headphone stands, and then the second one was just a little post-it note gadget. There's everything that I printed. There's like a loose paper filing system. Pretty neat. It does fit full size papers. A little bit will hang out the backside. Also, those drawers and small magazine rack items. I have those won't fit a full notebook, but it will fit the little mini ones. I've got plenty of mini ones running around. And then the drawers, while they're a little bit smaller, they were able to fit all the small things. I have a lot of projects that I finish or don't 100% finish before I have to move on to the next thing. And so I always have a lot of little bits and pieces hanging around. Those little drawers are great for those kind of items. Also, a lot of paperwork comes in. Takes me a while to go through it all. We have, several businesses, insurance, veterans paperwork. Anyway, getting to it takes a while, so gotta have a filing system for that. All right, here you can see the finished product. We went from a disorganized mess on the desktop to now everything kind of has its place. We moved the monitors where it's straight ahead, and then the work computer goes approximately where the camera's at. But anyway, it's semi-organized, ready to go now. Like I said, that was a quick one. We were able to get the immediate area cleaned up. Still got more work to do. Still printing some stuff out, but we'll keep doing it a little bit at a time. That's one of the things I like about 3D printing, is that when you see something that you need done, you quickly find a design somewhere and throw it on the printer, and a couple hours later you have the part. It is a little annoying on small parts, a couple hours, but sure beats having to go to the store and spend money for it. So, all right, so that's it, and hopefully we'll have some good content coming up. I'm gonna try to do a little car filming in the next few weeks, as well as some other projects. I had kind of a string of bad luck on some projects not going quite the way I wanted, so they take a little bit longer to come out than what I originally thought. So anyway, till next time, stay buzzed.